review for our September 17th, 2019 West Coast Swing class at Colvin Dance Hall. We worked on left and right side variations, and then we ended up with a sugar push variation. So, the first couple of moves were left side pass variations. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. He catches me and closed there. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So for the leader, it was hook, step, cross, or something like that. That creates the momentum for me to stay in place and do my turn in place. So we're basically turning around the center, little barbershop pole or something. Okay, and then we did a turn to the right, so this we call the windmill, I think. It's a variation of a right side pass. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6.
Or sometimes counted, if we slow it down, just 6 walking steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Right, and I think that is the way we taught it in the lesson. It does feel better, I think, if we triple. So then we extended that to an 8 count.
Well, then I think for the end of the beginning lesson, we finished it and danced it with a little salsa check, push.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, and 4, and went back to natural connection. Okay. Then for the intermediate move, we took that windmill and turned it into a lunge. We're going to do it from this side so you can see it from a little different angles. So we're going to start the same move. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. We bring her up on 5. That's the prep for the spinner. 6, 7, and 8. Now our footwork's different, guys. She's doing that stock rhythm that I just mentioned, but we're doing something a little different. We're going to go 1.2, 3, settle 4, up 5, and then I'm just going to walk out. 6, 7, 8, and I'm on the right foot.
For me, it's 7 and 8, so I still triple on 7 and 8. The reason that windmill was falling apart in some cases was that the followers were not providing resistance. So remember, for the followers, when can you lead me to 1, 2?
Well, it goes from here to here is the way to learn it.
Okay. 1, 2, as soon as his forearm meets my forearm, I match whatever resistance he's giving me. So if I go all newly, I'm not going to know which way to turn. But if I give him some resistance, his rotation turns me like a turnstile. So here's my 2. So I'm still providing resistance. I'm going to have no choice but to turn this way, keep my arm in front of my face, and right on around. So make sure you provide that resistance, because otherwise this move won't work.
And for us leaders, we were, rather than trying to lead it with our arm, if we just make contact with her arm on 2, and just continue to look down that way and turn that way, we don't really have to use our arm at all. I start looking.
But we only use it in terms of providing each other resistance, but it is the leader's body rotation that makes me turn. Yeah. See, as he turns, that resistance causes me to turn around, just like a turnstile. Okay, so then the pattern that we did at the end, we did that first move that we taught, caught the follower and closed, and then did the runaround, and then did that windmill push with the extension to 8, and ended up with a salsa check. So if you want to do the pattern, it looked like this. We can't dance it to music tonight, but this is what the pattern looked like. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Nice little pattern. Okay, I was it.
Yep.
I don't have any announcements.
Well, we don't have a dance this weekend. There is a dance at Colvin, but
It's not our dance.
not ours. We hope to see you Tuesday.